how to check if a WordPress theme is active using WordPress CLI. First, let's see what themes do we have here. Type WordPress theme is -active, and then paste the slug. Nothing happens, and that check is meant to be used in scripts. In order to see the exit code, we need to type echo this $sign and question mark, and we should see 1. Let's try with another theme. Let's try Q Sandbox and hit enter. And let's check the exit code again. It's 1. Let's try it again. It's 0. I guess there's a little bit of time necessary for this exit code to be applied. In order to get the exit code using scripting, you need to use the exec function. And the first thing is the command. The second command is the output. That's an array. It's going to be updated there. And the last parameter is exit code. For success, it's usually 0, and for error, it's not 0.